Students, we studied section formula, midpoint formula and coordinates of centroid. Okay. Now using these three formulae, now let us solve practice set 5.2. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of point P if P divides the line segment joining the points A -1 7 and B 4 -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay. So the segment is AB and this segment AB is divided by point P in the ratio 2:3 and we have to find out the coordinates of point P. So we will use here section formula. Okay. So let's here we will assume coordinates of point PB x, y. Student, always remember the point which divides the segment in the ratio, its coordinate we will assume x1. Okay. Then coordinates of point A are given -1, 7. These coordinates we will assume as x1, y1. B is given 4, -3. So these coordinates we will assume as x2, y2. And the ratio in which segment is divided is 2:3. So this ratio we will assume as m:n equal to 2:3. That means m equal to 2 and n equal to 3. Okay, now we will use section formula. Using section formula. So by using section formula, x coordinate we can find out using formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Okay, all these values we have with us. So therefore x is equal to m is equal to 2. So 2 into x2. x2 is equal to 4. Plus n is equal to 3 into x1. x1 is equal to -1. So it is having negative coordinates. So I wrote in bracket. Upon m plus n. So 2 plus 3. Followed. Therefore, x is equal to, now multiply, 2 4 are 8 plus into minus, 3 1 are 3 upon 2 plus 3, 5. Therefore, x is equal to 8 minus 3, 5. 5 upon 5. So 5 upon 5 is 1. Therefore, here we will get x is equal to 1. We got x coordinate. Now we will find y coordinate. So for that we have to use formula y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to m is equal to 2. y2 equal to -3. So write in bracket plus n equal to 3 into y1 is equal to 7 upon m plus n means 2 plus 3. 2 into -3 -6 plus 3 7s are 21 upon 2 plus 3, 5. Therefore, y is equal to 21 minus 6, 15 upon 5. And therefore, y is equal to 3. Followed? So, we got coordinates of point P are 1 and 3. So we will write the answer in statement. Therefore, coordinates of point P x, y equal to 1, 3. So these are the coordinates of point P. Follow? Question number 3. Find the ratio in which point T minus 1, 6 divides the line segment joining the points P minus 3, 10 and Q 6 minus 8. Okay. Now here the coordinates of the point which divides the segment is given. Coordinates of the end points of the segment is given. And we have to find out the ratio in which it is divided. Okay. So let's start the solution. Which point divides the segment? T. And as I told you, the point which divides the segment, we assume its coordinates x and y. So coordinates of point T is given minus 1, 6. This we assume as x, y. Coordinates of point P minus 3, 10. This we assume as x1, y1. Coordinates of point Q 6 minus 8. This we assume as x2, y2. And we have to find out the ratio. That means we have to find out m is to n is equal to question mark. Okay. Now here again we will use section formula. Using section formula, x coordinate is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Now here the value of x we have negative 1. Therefore, negative 1 equal to m we don't know. So m into x2 equal to 6 plus n also we don't know, and x1 is equal to minus 3. So write in bracket upon m plus n. Follow this step. Now we will do cross multiplication here. Therefore, minus 1 into m plus n equal to m into 6 is equal to 6m plus into minus is minus and n into 3 is 3n. Followed? Now here minus 1 into m minus m minus 1 into plus n minus n equal to 6m minus, change the negative term sign here. Okay. This minus 3n we will take on this side. So we will get plus 3n minus n equal to 6m. Take this minus m on this side. We will get plus m. Follow this step. Now here 3n minus n 2n equal to 6m plus m 7m. Now we want the ratio m is to n, means m upon n. So this we will write 7m is equal to 2n. Therefore m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. See here, this n we taken on this side, left side, and 7 we taken on right hand side. So we will get m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. Followed? Therefore, m is to n ratio is equal to 2 is to 7. So this way we got the answer. So point T divides the segment in the ratio 2 is to 7. So we will write the answer in statement. Therefore, point T divides Now here the name of endpoints of segment is given P and Q. So we can write the name of segment PQ in the ratio 2:7. Followed? Question number 5. Find the ratio in which point P K7 divides the segment joining A89 and B12. Also find K. Okay, there are two questions here. First question is given. We have to find out the ratio in which point P divides the segment AB. And we have to find the value of K. Means we have to find out X coordinate of point P. Now here the point P divides the segment in the ratio. So we have to use section formula. Okay. So let us start the solution. Which points divide the segment? P. So its coordinate we will assume X, Y. So let P, K7, these coordinates we will assume X, Y. Coordinates of point A given 8, 9. So this coordinate we will assume X1, Y1. Coordinates of point B 1, 2. These we assume X2, Y2. Followed? And we have to find out the ratio, means we have to find out M is to N. Okay. So using section formula. Using section formula. Now see which point divides P, K7. Now for this point which coordinate is given? Y coordinate is given. So first we will use the formula for Y coordinate. So Y is equal to My2 plus Ny1 upon M plus N. Followed? Because X coordinate we don't know, it is given in the form of letter K. So to find the ratio, first we have to use Y coordinate formula. Followed? Now Y is equal to 7. M we don't know. Y2 equal to 2. Plus N also we don't know. And Y1 is equal to 9. Upon M plus N. Like the previous example. Same way we have to follow. Now we will do cross multiplication here. 7 into M plus N equal to 2M plus 9N. Okay. Now multiply this. 7 into M, 7M plus 7N equal to 2N plus 9N. Now we will take M variable terms on one side and N variable terms on another side. So here 7M minus 2M. 7M minus 2M equal to 9N minus 7N. Okay. So 7M minus 2M, 5M equal to 9N minus 7N, 2N. Now we want M is to N ratio. So M divided by N is equal to 2 divided by 5. Followed? Therefore here we will get answer M is to N equal to 2 is to 5. So point P divide the segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 5. We will write the answer. Therefore, point P divides segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 5. So first question we solved. Now we have to find out the value of K. K is the X coordinate of point P. Now using the section formula, we will use the formula for x coordinate. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Followed? Now x is equal to k. M upon n ratio is 2 upon 5. So m is equal to 2. So here 2 multiplied by x2. x2 equal to 1. Plus n is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by x1. x1 equal to 8. Upon m plus n means 2 plus 5. Therefore, k is equal to 2 plus 5 8 are 40 upon 2 plus 5 7. Therefore, k is equal to 42 upon 7. Therefore, k is equal to 6. So this way we got second answer also.